In today's episode, let's prepare some groundnuts, or you can also refer to them as Njugu Karanga, and you'll only need a few ingredients. I have some water, I have some salt, this is some cooking oil, which is optional, but lately I've been falling in love with Njugu mafuta, and finally I have my groundnuts. And without further ado, let's get started. So as usual, this is another easy recipe, and I'm going to start by adding my groundnuts. Then I'm going to soak this in some salt, and I'm going to add in a generous amount of salt, probably more than you will need. Then I'm going to add in some water. Then I'm going to let this soak for about 20 minutes. The salt will penetrate into the groundnuts. Then I'll be back and I'll show you how to bake them. So about 20-25 minutes later, you can see that they have swollen. The water has also changed its color. So I'm going to drain off this water. Then I'm going to spread them here and ensure that each groundnut is on a single layer. So in the meantime, my oven is preheating at 160 degrees. And this is perfect. So this is an additional step that I've lately been falling in love with. So we are just going to sprinkle a few drops of cooking oil, sio mingi. Remember, we are not frying this, we are baking this. So I'm going to put this in an oven preheating at 160 degrees for about 16 to 20 minutes. So these are many hours later, and I've been munching on them slowly. They are well done. They are dry enough. Oh, they are crunchy, tasty. And you can see the few drops that we added make them even look more prettier. So after they've cooled down, you store them in an airtight container. Then these are good to last you until forever. So that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.